Welcome to the ultimate guide to supercharge your health with superfoods. Superfoods are nutrient-rich foods that can help boost your overall health and well-being. From kale to quinoa, there are a wide variety of superfoods to choose from. Incorporating superfoods into your diet can help improve your energy levels and immune system. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants that can help fight inflammation and improve brain function. Salmon is a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which can help lower your risk of heart disease. Avocados are rich in healthy fats and can help improve your skin and hair health. Chia seeds are high in fiber and can help aid in digestion and weight loss. Spinach is loaded with vitamins and minerals that can help boost your overall health. Adding superfoods to your meals can be as simple as tossing them into a smoothie or salad. Nuts and seeds are great superfood snacks that can help keep you full and satisfied. Dark chocolate is a delicious superfood that can help improve your mood and brain function. Quinoa is a nutrient-dense superfood that is high in protein and fiber. Turmeric is a powerful superfood spice that can help reduce inflammation and improve digestion. Superfoods can be a delicious and easy way to upgrade your meals and improve your health. Remember to choose a variety of superfoods to ensure you are getting a wide range of nutrients. Experiment with different superfoods to find what works best for you and your taste preferences. Superfoods are not a magic cure-all, but they can be a valuable addition to a healthy diet. So next time you're at the grocery store, pick up some superfoods and start supercharging your health. Thanks for watching the ultimate guide to supercharge your health with superfoods. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel.